Most developers apply for jobs the hard way. This week's top repo automates the entire search using Claude Code. Hi, I'm Jason, and I'll be your host today. We are looking at some absolutely massive projects that just hit the trending page. And honestly, the agent ecosystem is evolving faster than I expected. From terminal tools to hardware-efficient AI models, there is a lot to cover. It is July 7, 2026, and the open source community is on fire right now. Alright, let's jump right in. First up is AI Job Search by MadsLorentzen. This project is a structured framework built on top of Claude Code that turns your AI into a full-stack job application assistant. It's already sitting at over 8,000 stars. You basically fork it, fill in your profile, and let Claude evaluate job postings for fit. The wild part? It doesn't just find jobs, it actually tailors your CV and cover letters using LaTeX scripts. While the search skills are currently optimized for the Danish market, the logic is country agnostic. You can easily swap in your own local job boards. It even manages an application pipeline with a drafter-reviewer pattern for quality control. I'm not gonna lie, seeing an AI prepare you for interviews based on specific company data is a game changer. If you're looking for work, this might be the most productive fork you'll ever make. It handles everything from initial scraping to final interview prep. It's built in TypeScript and requires Claude Code to run. This is exactly how we'll all be job hunting in the future. Next, TencentCloud dropped CubeSandbox. This is a lightweight, secure sandbox service written in Rust, specifically designed for AI agents. It is already trending with over 8,000 stars since its release. Why do you need this? Because giving autonomous agents access to your raw terminal is terrifying. CubeSandbox provides a secure, concurrent environment where agents can execute code without risking your host machine. The performance here is actually impressive. Because it's built in Rust, it's incredibly fast and has minimal overhead. It's meant to be used as a backend service for any agentic workflow you're building today. It handles file system isolation and network restrictions natively. If you're building a coding assistant or a data science agent, this is the infrastructure you've been looking for to keep things safe. It supports Python via PyPI and is fully Apache 2 licensed. TencentCloud is really leaning into the agentic infrastructure space with this one, and the community is clearly responding to it. This one is wild. OfficeCLI is an Office suite purpose-built for AI agents. It lets agents read, edit, and automate Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files without needing Office installed on the machine. It's a single binary written in C# that gives your LLM eyes. It renders documents to HTML or PNG so the agent can look at the output, find errors, and fix them in a loop. I've seen agents struggle with Excel files for years, but this handles them with high fidelity. You can literally tell an agent to generate a 10-slide PowerPoint from a text file, and it just happens. It's free, open source, and works everywhere. It's perfect for building automated reporting tools or document processing pipelines. No more fighting with COM objects or brittle libraries that require a full license. The fact that it is a single binary with no dependencies makes it incredibly easy to deploy inside containers. This is going to unlock so many enterprise use cases for agents this year. Now, let's talk about pocket-tts from kyutai-labs. This is a text-to-speech model that fits in your CPU, literally. It's a 100 million parameter model that doesn't need a GPU to run fast. It's hitting about 6 times real-time speed on a MacBook Air M4. It only uses 2 CPU cores. Forget about expensive cloud API costs or latency issues. This is local and private. The latency for the first audio chunk is only 200 milliseconds. It supports English, French, German, and several other languages. It even supports voice cloning with just a small sample. The best part? It can run client-side in the browser. This means you can build fully interactive voice applications that work completely offline. It's built with Python and requires PyTorch 2.5. I'm genuinely excited to see this. We've had great local LMs for a while, but local, high-quality TTS has been the missing piece of the puzzle for truly edge-based AI. If you're using Anthropic's new tools, you need to bookmark awesome-claude-code. It's a hand-picked collection of the best resources, skills, and plugins for the Claude Code agent ecosystem. It's already collected nearly 50,000 stars, which shows just how fast this community is growing. It features everything from custom status lines to advanced developer tooling and specialized agent skills. The list is curated with a focus on code quality and security. It's the perfect jumping off point if you want to see what's actually possible when you push Claude's agentic capabilities to the limit. They even have a live ticker of Claude Code projects around GitHub. It's updated constantly, so you're always seeing the latest innovations from the community. It's a must-read for any modern dev. I've personally found 3 of my favorite new plugins on this list already. Whether you're a beginner or a veteran, this repo is the gold standard for Claude resources right now. For the health tech developers, the exercises-dataset by hasaneyldrm is trending weekly with over 10,000 stars. It's a massive, structured dataset of over 1,300 fitness exercises. It provides everything you need to scaffold a fitness app backend, including DB schemas, API code, and even LLM prompts. It covers muscle groups, equipment, and category data for every entry. The coolest feature? It's truly global. The instructions are translated into 6 languages including Spanish, Russian, and Chinese. It's a turnkey solution for building localized fitness trackers. Note that it doesn't include the actual video files due to licensing, but it includes all the metadata and media IDs you need to link them up. It's a very clean JSON format. This is a great example of how a well-structured dataset can save a developer hundreds of hours of manual entry. If you're building in the wellness space, star this immediately. Now, this is something I've been waiting for. Herdr is an agent multiplexer that lives in your terminal. Think of it like tmux, but specifically rebuilt for managing multiple AI agents at once. It's built in Rust and lets you see who is blocked, working, or done at a single glance. Since it works over SSH, you can even check on your agents from your phone. It handles real terminals, not just imitations. This means full-screen terminal UIs render correctly. You can click, drag, and split panes into workspaces just like a professional window manager. There's no Electron, no telemetry, and no accounts required. It's just a local binary that makes running 10 different agents feel organized instead of chaotic. It's already gained 13,000 stars. As we move toward multi-agent systems where different AIs handle different parts of a project, a tool like herdr is going to become essential for every developer's kit. Lastly, we have the codex plugin for Claude Code from the OpenAI team. This is a historic bridge that lets you use codex from inside the Claude Code workflow. It adds several /commands to Claude, like codex review and codex rescue. You can basically delegate specific tasks or adversarial code reviews to the codex model without leaving your terminal. It requires a ChatGPT subscription or an OpenAI API key. It's built in JavaScript and is designed for users who want to leverage the strengths of both Anthropic and OpenAI. The installation is simple through the Claude Code Marketplace. It demonstrates a future where we don't just use one model, but a whole federation of specialized agents working together. With over 26,000 stars, people are clearly hyped about this cross-platform collaboration. It's easy to set up and very powerful for complex debugging sessions. That is all for today's trending repos. A huge thank you to all the open source contributors pushing these boundaries. Which one of these will you try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I will check all of them. I'm Jason with GitHub Trending Jason, and I'll see you tomorrow.